Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Sofirn SP35. Now I was sent this light from banggood.com. They wanted me to test and review this. Comes in this box, which is kind of just a plain box. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in. Comes with the user manual. And it looks like it comes with a extra O-ring and a lanyard. So let's take a look at the light. Now this is a heavy light. Alright, this is really nice. I've tested and reviewed quite a few Sofirn lights. And this is a multi 18650 cell flashlight. And this is running the XHP 50 LED with a textured reflector, so it's going to have a real floody beam with maybe a little bit of a hot spot in there. Really nice. Now, just looking at this style here, it kind of reminds me of my Claris G30 a little bit. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you what cells I'm going to be using in this test. There's the tail cap. This does spin around. Well greased on the threads. And I'm running 3 of the Panasonic 3400 milliamp. These are a protected cell. And the springs down inside are identical to the ones on the tail cap here. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this back together and let's go through the UI. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and go through the UI. UI is pretty simple on this. It does have a battery level indicator on there, and that will stay green till 50%, and then 50% or lower to 20% will be turns to red, and after that it'll blink red. Then that's letting you know you should charge the batteries. Alright, so we're going to go to the next level. And that's a lot of light. $2,500 lumens. That's a lot of light. Nice spot on that. Pretty big spill on that as well. And then of course goes back down to the lowest setting. Now if you want to get strobe, get your strobe. And then single click that to get back out. And if you press and hold that to turn it off. Okay, so let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Sofirn SP35. And we're going to go ahead and turn it on. So as you can see, the camera is picking up basically what I'm seeing with my eyes. So the new camera is doing really good. And so we're just going to go ahead and shine it over here onto the fence line, tree line. You can see a huge spill on that. Alright, so we're going to go up to the next level here on the water spout. You can see a little bit better there. Looking really good. Now this spill on this is really wide, so as you can see, easily shoots into the trees all the way down to the ground at this light output. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn it up to the next level. That way we can start seeing some light output there. Looking really good here. Let's look at that. Just really nice. Alright, so we're going to go ahead. I'm going to pan this over to the tree of life. Now with this, you can see the colors of those tree leaves that are brown. With the fall weather and Christmas, winter is soon to be here. So we'll go over here. Don't know why they have their lights on, but even at this light output, looks good. It's got a good Kelvin on this as well. Look at that. Just a really nice spill on this light. Very nice. Okay, we're going to go to the next level. And this is really nice. Now you can clearly see the spill. So we'll go ahead and pan over here first. And you can see it's not quite making it. Well, it is a little bit. It is making across the park there faintly. So it's more of a flutter. And as you can see, huge wall of light. Look at that. Tree line, fence line, looking really good. Okay, we're going to go back over to the tree of life. As you can see over here, it does make that tree behind that, so it's probably another 100 yards behind there, so that's pretty good. It's 130 feet, 133 feet, I think this was, and that's at least another 100 feet behind it. It's not too bad at all. Looking really good. And we'll just pan over here. See the trees there on the other baseball diamond there, doing really good. Really nice output on this. Okay. So, looking at the tree of life. Okay. So, and looking at the tree of life fully lit up with this beam all the way down here. Look at that. Isn't that nice? All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing did really well. Has a lot of light output. It's got a huge area of lighting that this provides. I'm quite impressed with it. It is a little bulky. It's a little, heavy. The light output on this is very impressive, especially at a price point. Sofirn makes a quality light, and this one shows it just like the other ones that I've tested and reviewed. I really like the fact that the knurling on here is really good. The style of it is nice. It's a little big for everyday carry, but that really depends on you. So as far as that, not a bad light at all. I'm really impressed with the light output on this. Now I just want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this light to review. Now if you are interested in this light, they have provided me a special discount code, and it'll be right up on that screen right there, and that'll help you save some money on this as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.